Welcome to this new video. Today we are going to solve a killer Sudoku with the difficulty set to medium. Let's get started. Let's see. Okay, so I already explained in a previous video how to solve a killer Sudoku or a normal Sudoku. And let's try one out together. It's going to be lots of fun. Here I see 17 in these two cells, so that's the sum of 9 and 8 equals 17. That's the only possible way, so that must be an 8, because we can't have two 9s in the same row. A 3. Now you can guess what's that going to be, what that is going to be. This one. We know for sure because there's only one cell left to fill. It's going to be 6. 11, so a 5 is needed to make 16. 5 plus 7. This 3 cells form 16. We already have 11, so a 5. It's simply amazing, eh? All the fun we are having. This is a 9. And I will also explain some techniques and strategies in this video on how to solve a killer Sudoku faster. We have the timer counting, hopefully. This video doesn't last longer than 10 minutes. And when you're doing a difficult killer Sudoku, I should recommend that you search for the 1 cells. So a 6, because then you can get started. Let's see, we can do this one. This is going to be a 5. 7. This is going to be a 6. Is there any other easy one? Nope, I think that are all the easy ones. Oh no, we can do this one. We only need a 9 in this cell. And then we know, because we also do need a 9 in this square, that it can go here, it can go here because of this one 9. So this must be a 9 and a 1. So we can take notes. 1, 1, or 9, 9. Okay. So this little square is finished. Oh yeah, and we know the 9 can't go here because of this one. Now it can go in one of these two cells. And we have a 9 here, so it can't go here. So this must be a 9, then this must be a 1 to make 10. And things are getting lots easier now, because we need a 5 and a 5, a 4, and a 2. 5, a 4, and a 2. Okay. If we put the 5 here, we need a 1 here. But there's already a 1 here. So this can't be 1 and 5. It could be. No, it also couldn't be a 4, because we have a 4 here, and that would make this cell a 2, and we have a 2 here. So this must be a, I forgot to count, a 2. Yes, it's 2. Then we can finish this row. This must then be a 6. We can sum this up to 27, 12. It's a 5. We can finish this one. It's a 3. Oh, this was a 4 then. And we need a 1 in this row, but with a 1 you can never make 11, because this can't be a 10. We only go till 9, so this must be a 1, then this must be a, what number do we need? A 5. And this must be a 9, and this must be a 6. Oh, here, because of the nodes, this is now a 9, so this can't be a 9. So 9 and 1. Wow, we're having so much fun together. It's amazing. Amazing. This must be a 3, and we only need a 1 and a 2. But it could be either cells, we don't know yet. So let's see what happens. Do we know this square? What should we focus on next? Maybe this would be interesting. We know we can form an 8 by a 1 and a 7, a 2 and a 6, or a 3 and a 5, because we can't have two 4s. But what numbers have we already used? We already have used the 1 and the 7, the 5. So this could never be a 3, because then we would have need a 5 here. So this must be 3, then this must be 7. And we can go on. This must then be a 2 and a 6. We already have a 6 in this row, so this must be a 2 and a 6. We already also solved this little square then. Hopefully we can make it under the 10 minutes. I think that would be possible. Here we need a 4, 5 and a 7. We already have a 7 here, and we already have a 7 here, so this must be a 7. Makes this a 5, this a 4. Then we need 2 with 10 with these two cells, because we need to make 14. We already have 4, dus let's see. We already have a 1 and 9. We need a 2 and an 8. A 2 and an 8. We already have an 8 here, so that makes this a 2 and this an 8. We need a 1 and a 3 here. Already have a 1 here, so this is a 3 and a 1. And the more numbers you have, the easier it's going to be. So when I would set the difficulty to expert, we would have 0 numbers in the whole grid. And that's also a fun challenge. I will make a video about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, with that equals 10. So this must be a 5 to complete that one. We need a 1 and a 2. Already have a 2 here, so 1, 2. Still need a 1 in this row or column, and a 9. A 1 and a 9. We only can make 17 by 8 and 9. So this must be then a 9, a 8, a 1, 4, 8, 10, 9. Need a 1 here, must be here. You know why? We already have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So then this must be a 5. This must be then be a 4 equals 11. 11 plus 5. And then we solved everything but this square. We needed 2. 2 can only go here because of that one and that one. A 3 can only go here because of this one and this one. Then 4, 5, we need a 6 here. And to finish it off, well under 10 minutes, an 8.
Wow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will post more videos, also more difficult puzzles, so make sure you don't miss that. And I hope you have a nice day. I wish you the best. Good luck.